Hey guys, so
ducks.
a couple weeks back, we were fooling around with the Supra, revving it up and whatnot. Now we're actually driving it. Mike's driving; he's busy, that's why he can't be talking.
Yeah, but, multitasking.
Anyways, so last week's video didn't notify a lot of people that it was posted, so therefore they had no idea it was out and they missed it. So the link's in the description. Watch that. And this week we are hoping to paint the truck and do a bunch of different painting and Bondo work. So, and Johnny's on his way to go to choir. So
I'm going to sing Vivaldi's Gloria.
See ya.
What?
Dodge knows how to make stuff rust. Alright, so we decided we're going to paint a couple inches along the bottom of the truck here, just to keep the chips from the roads down. So I noticed a lot of newer trucks have this, where they do the bed liner idea, and then they also have the same paint, which we got paint match paint, so we can have it match the truck, but it'll have the texture of a bed liner. And let's tape this off, and then we'll put some shop towels up, and then we'll paint it. Price says, do not place on skin. Will cause.
Two hours later.
Get quiet, young one.
Yeah, I have to be good.
Right, soon.
Meanwhile,
Dented the can.
He dropped it.
It's bad.
He's also a ginger.
Try, Mike.
What's that? Something white came out.
Yeah, that's the foam in the beginning.
We should have known that.
No, it did.
You're gonna hold that? That's flatted.
I should have told you. I forgot about it, but that's fine.
Yeah. Oh, don't go too much higher. Chris asked us not to spray the camera this time, so good enough. You're going too fast. Oh, that was close. That was very close. Let's do shop towels just to be safe. Like we use these. Look at us go. We're definitely pro. I think that's right. Should we mark off the front? Yeah, we'll do that in a second. That would be easy. I think it looks pretty good. Doing a little bit of touch-ups and stuff. I'm testing our new paint match paint on this little piece that needs to be painted. Whoa, it's dripping.
That was a lot, Mike.
Alright, so these two corners that we pulled the dents out and put a tiny little bit of Bondo on, we're just going to color match them so that they match in, but they have the texture of the bed liner. Hands. Smells really good.
Still wet.
Is it actually?
Yeah.
Get it off then. Or sand it off when it dries. Is it not? It's not like gonna get hard like mess your skin up, is it? Well, I had it over the weekend already. I didn't notice anything until like 2 days later. Moisturizer for men. Use on your hands every day. Pretty soon you won't feel your hands. Second coat going on. Alright, so this corner here, we had a crack in this bottom corner and we patched it up and sanded it. So now I'm going to just gently put a little bit of color match paint on here because it's just little scratches. So I'll try to clean that up a little bit. Beautiful. Got old dried Bondo on my putty knife, so I'm trying to crack it off with vice grips. Look at that. Well, it took one layer off. I approve of this tip. You should use it. I'm sure there's a much better way to do this. I just don't like doing things the easy way. As you can see, my vice grips worked. That's pretty much clean. Like a little tiny bit there, but worked good. Ask Chris. Ask your son. Whoa, the lights are on. Yeah. Testing the lights and I'm touching them. Can I take this off?
Light hot!
Sure. Dude, is your red light working on your side? The back one? And yeah. The front orange one works too. Yeah. Just figured that out like a month ago. I just figured it out now and it's beautiful. And all these top ones are working. And the front ones are working too. This is so beautiful. So as you can see, this is an E150 van. And it's our it's our donor van. Like, look how good it is. Like, good high quality right there.
That's Dodge quality on a Ford.
Yeah. So we're gonna take this taillight out because we need a bulb, and we looked through the whole shop and couldn't find a bulb. So Tim's going to grab the Torx now, and then we're gonna pull this light out and hopefully be able to salvage one bulb.
Everything's gone. That's the motor we need to take out.
We're taking it out?
We're gonna pull out of it someday.
Does it work?
The motor? I don't.
So Mike just tried to step in here and he went like that. So look at the quality of this rocker. It's real good, right there. That's high quality metal.
High quality seat too.
Yes. Yeah, look at the inside, man. That's the motor.
Look at that motor. Look at that interior.
High quality.
And just wow.
And Tim's back.
It's show ready.
Tim, you got the wrong Torx.
Can I break it? Can I actually?
Try yank it out. See if it'll come out. All we need is that thing anyway. Oh shit. I need a hammer. Mike, move. Don't break the bulb. You broke the bottom. Wait. That bulb is already broken.
You think?
There might not even be a bulb in there.
That's the kind we need.
Is it?
Oh, we need the normal one.
There's no bulb up there. So what about the bottom? There's a bulb in the bottom. Wait. No, that's... Well, we could maybe cut the harness out. You think that bulb even works? Yeah, it looks good.
It's burnt out.
Can you like hear the rust falling? Oh, that one's blown, definitely.
Yeah.
Maybe the other one.
There's moss in there.
That one's broken completely.
Not
There's no
even-
bulb left.
There's
Wait,
moss
the
growing
spring's
inside.
still on this one. There's still a spring on this one. Yeah,
Actually,
and it's one of those double tone ones.
It's just dusty.
So let's take the harness out, and then we got ourselves a bulb.
May take the bulb out and then try to get the harness out so we don't wreck the bulb.
Mint Ford logo.
So I'm back.
And we painted the trim of the truck on the bottom.
And we like totally destroyed the E150 today.
And we're really redneck right now with our guns.
Yeah. Merca.
America.
Even though we're from Canada.
I think this is how you hold it. This.
How do you open this thing?
I think you shoot it like this.
Is it loaded?
There you go. That's the shotgun.
That's a
Yeah.
shotgun.